Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Day of sacred pleasure, its golden hours will spend in thankful hymns to Jesus, our children, dearest friend. O gentle, loving Savior, how good and kind thou art. How precious is thy promise to dwell in every heart. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Keep the Sabbath holy and worship Him today, who said to His disciples, I am the living way. And if we meekly follow our Savior here below, it bids us off the fountain where streams eternal flow. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Welcome, welcome, ever good and kind thou art. How precious is thy promise to dwell in every heart. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Welcome, welcome, ever welcome, blessed Sabbath day. Day is dying in the west, that was touching earth with rest. Wait and worship while the night sets our evening lamps alight through all the sky. Holy, 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 Lord God of hosts. Sunset is pretty. Heaven and earth is full of thee. Heaven and earth are praising thee, O Lord Most High. Lord of light beneath the throne of the universe, thy home. Gather us who seek thy face, to the fall of thy grace, for thou art my holy, 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 Lord God of hosts. Heaven and earth are full of thee. Heaven and earth